Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, to understand our question, the program has to accept the integer n, the names and number of men and number of women in the cities as the input and sort the cities based on the conditions. So the first condition is they must be in descending order based on their population, and if two or more have same population, then they sort their cities in descending order based on the number of men, and if two or more have the same population and the same number of men, then they must be sorted based on their names. And for this, we must define the class city. Now we'll take our first test case. So first we have KRR city and the population of men and the population of women. Similarly, we have 5 cities and men population and women population. So here the total population is 7,500, and here it is 8,300, and here it is 7,500, and here it is 7,500, and here it is 5,000. So now first we are going to sort them in descending order. So first we will have the cities with the highest population, that is high tech city with the population, and then we have 3 cities with same population, that is 1500. So in that case, if two or more cities having the same population, then they sort their cities based on number of men. So when we check about the men, ABB city and KRR city having same number of men, so we move to our next condition, that is based on their names. So ABB comes first, so after that we'll have KRR city, and after that we'll have MGC as their main population is low, and at last we'll have YSK city. So this will be our output. Now let us solve this program in Java programming language. So these are the predefined lines. Now our task is to define the class city. So inside the class city, the class city implements the comparable city, and inside the class city we have the members private string name to get the name of the city, and private integer men count to get the count of men, and then the women count, and after that we'll have public city of string name and the men int men count, and then the integer women count. So inside this we'll have this name equal to the name, and this men equal to men count, that is this men equal to men, And similarly, we'll do it for similarly do for women, like this dot woman equal to woman count equal to woman count, and here it is actually men count. So yeah, similarly do for women, and after that we're going to override, and here we have the public string to string function where we are going to return the string format of the format is modulo d modulo yes modulo d, which will have the name and the count of men and the count of women. So after this, again there is override, and here we have another function called as public int compared to of city other, and here we are going to check the condition, that is if the this dot min dot this dot, that is men count, plus this dot women count is equal to other dot men count plus other dot women count, and in that case we are going to check whether this dot men count is equal to other dot men count, and if this is also equal, then we are going to check the names. So we are going to return this dot name dot compare to of other dot name, and when that condition is going to be false, we'll return other dot men count to this dot men count, and here we are going to return other dot men count plus other dot women count to this dot men count plus this dot women count. So this will be our class city, which will give us the desired output.